Good morning, Ms. Azani and Mr. Eko. We are from Group 17. We want to present our research for application of designing in the creation of UIX and e-learning websites. So, in the introduction, in this era, many teenagers have difficulty in learning and need help to understand e-learning materials. E-learning websites are very popular among teenagers, so most teenagers spend time on e-learning websites. However, most websites doesn't apply the design thinking method, making the website ineffective. So when e-learning is implemented properly, it can improve thinking skills, increase collaboration, and help students increase empathy. Therefore, we can apply the designing method to e-learning websites. And designing method is very influential on online learning. So we hope to create a website that helps students learn. The characteristic of designing include collaboration, empathy in learning, material exploration, reflection, and tenacity, and focus on practice. So our aims is to determine the effect of designing in the manufacture of the e-learning media, especially in case where the implementation of designing in UI/UX in the e-learning field has not been maximized. In this case, we also carried out an in-depth exploration of the topic of implementing designing in making UI/UX for e-learning media, including the notion of design thinking. And the literary review, we uh, we get the online learning is very familiar to students, and online learning has been around for a long time, but it used increased during the COVID-19 period. Due to the large number of students who experience difficulties in learning from home, most of them turn to online learning websites or e-learning to help them in lessons. And then we have the conclusion is yeah, design thinking was chosen because this method is used to find solutions to problems that are unclear or unknown. There are three stages in design thinking consisting of inspiration, namely the need or problem that motivates the search for a solution, or innovation, ideation, which is the process of generating ideas, developing and testing ideas, and final implementation, namely finalizing the implementation of the solution. The next part will be explained by my friends.
Methodology: creating UI/UX e-learning website applications study now using the design thinking approach method. By using this method, you can provide ideas to solve problems in the project you are working on. Here are the stages that will be carried out in the research. Stage 1, research and data collection. Problems faced by user can create a solution. By conducting hands-on research when using Study Now, we can find out the solution to the problem. In this stage, we also undergo research on competitor applications. This study aims to compare the advantages and disadvantages of our application. Data processing. Problems found when researching will be processed and grouped to make it easier to determine a solution to the problem. Problems that have a solution can help develop applications. Problems that have been successfully defined will be developed to achieve solutions. Developed solutions come from brainstorming ideas. The ideas collected will be by prioritizing user and project development. Stage 3, designing and testing. Ideas that have been accommodated from the previous stage will be realized and made a prototype form. The first process that will be done is the creation of wireframe, both low and high fidelity. After the prototype is completed, testing will be done to get feedback from users. The results we get from this testing process will be used for evaluation and development materials that will be made later. Results and discussion. In creating an e-learning website using the design thinking method, we use 5 basic stages of design thinking. The results we will show are prototype developed based on the design thinking method. Stage 1, empathize. The empathize stage is done to find out the problems owned by the user and needs desired by the user. Through this stage, developers are expected to overcome the problems faced by the users by providing new functions on the website. The author performs the empathize stage with a questionnaire that has been answered by 20 people. Through the questionnaire, we have found some user problems, such as task timer, free access, mentor session features and form features, module access, material source features, about exercises that have been done, good design and easy to use, question and answer system or feedback from the teachers, can access learning materials at any time, can see a complete learning schedule, practice questions to facilitate lessons, and videos that explain the material by example and can be downloaded. Define stage. As the define stage, the writer defines more clearly the problems that have been given by the users in e-learning websites in general. This stage is done so that the developers can understand more clearly and provide input and solutions to these problems. We have attached a problem definition table in our paper.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next point is idea. At this stage, there has been a discussion regarding the issue that have been raised to provide resolution of the problem. Through a brainstorming session, the writer has come up with the solution of the problem. As you can see, we filtered the solution into the feature that we can do for now. And the next part is prototype. Based on the problem that we have been collected at previous phase, the writer has designed the base of the website. The website study now already implement part of the intended feature. Here is the design of the website. We got the homepage of the website, and then the course list of the website, subject detail, the course detail, the video and exercise page, the and image of forum page. And the next point is test. We decided to send out a questionnaire regarding our prototype. The total of people that fill out the questionnaire is 10 people. As you can see, there is the category is UI design, which we got a fresh score of 4.1. The forum feature with 4.4, research feature with 4.6, and video-based learning with 4.62. And the last one is exercise with 4.6. And because there hasn't been enough evidence that the website is good enough, we decided to sign up another survey. This time there are 30 respondents. We assign them to a batch. Each batch is contains 10 people, and we got the result of the aspect of ease of use is final score is 7.8. The navigation final score is 8.13. The UI design final score is 7. Use of color is 6.87. The user friendliness is 8.13. The relevant content is 7.9. The simplicity is 7.5. Based on the survey we conducted, our application still needs to be improved in the use of color aspect because the results are smaller than the other aspect. In addition, the value of other aspects are quite above average. This means that we have to keep improving the web based on the user expectation of the website. In the conclusion we got from the research is after we set our testing with our students, we have the final result where the design for the website is more agile, simple, accurate, and for the user to use it. In the process of designing study now, we use all aspects of the design thinking method to achieve the best outcome from the aspect of technology. And lastly, the best solution we have got through all the process is to provide user with the best possible experience when they utilize the study now website. That is all. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.